it's also making music. You see, I had really great cuts today. Last time it was okay, but on my Gyakukes I was not satisfied. Here it's really better. Thank you paper training and thank you plastic bottle training. Okay, welcome to the wood. Welcome to the Ronin hood. I just have sharpened this Ronin Dojo Pro 1060 and now I will just make some little cut with bamboo. So here the blade, it's a basic polish with no almond. So all the scratches made during the sharpening process doesn't change so much the appeal of the blade. Okay, ready for the cut? Let's go! Okay, it is pretty good. I had on this thin bamboo part like just some clean cut, and I think clean cut, and this one was missed. So I think it was like 3 good, 1 wrong, and it is making shuriken. The bamboo is very thick. This species is not really large, but it's tougher than the large one like this that are not thick on the skin. So here the skin is like 60-70%, so there is no empty part inside. So it's really difficult for the blade if it's not clean skill technique. So that's why the Okaze 1095 broke many times, even with correct posture and correct slice movement. Let's go. Okay, we have missed a really beautiful shot. This is really sad. I had been successful with Gyaku Kesa and Kesa, Gyaku Kesa, Kesa, and the full one were really clean. We will try one more time. Yes! That was exactly what I did just before, but the camera shut off. I don't know why. I was really sad because I wanted to show you that, guys. So I made then Kesa, Gyaku Kesa, Kesa, then 3 or 4 Kesagiri, and then throwing the last part in the wood wall for shurikenjutsu with a slice of bamboo. I think that's awesome. I hope you liked it. Now we move to the last piece of bamboo. Let's go. So, like I said, this is a really thick species. You can see there, it's not like most of the bamboo, it's really thick. This is how I broke the Okaze 1095 carbon steel. After the study of Tamahagane, I realized how from Heian period to Kamakura to Muromachi era, all the swords on the field of battle were closed from this one, because this is 1060, there is 0.6% of carbon. Even here, this is modern steel, so the carbon homogeneity is really better than on the last time in the Middle Age in Japan with craft technology. So I will finish with the thicker one, the larger one. Even it's not so large for bamboo, we can have something like, could be like really larger, but like I said, it's really thick, spacious, so really hard to cut. It was really easier when I made the challenge with shuriken and then cut bamboo with this same sword. Let's go for the last piece of bamboo. Okay, it was a success the second time, so I'm not so sad that I've lost the shot just before these two last bamboo cut, because I did it a second time. It was a bit more difficult because the bamboo is a bit larger, but with katategiri, so it's not nukiuchi. I did 1 and 2, so it's not nukiuchi, is katate. It's like nukiuchi and then boom. So with katate I had more power, so I was more able to to cut the bamboo with katate of gyaku kesa, and then kesa, then gyaku kesa, and then kesa. So it was pretty good. You have seen that it was larger, so it was perfectly fitting with the hole for the wood peg on the Ronin hood stand. So it was really easy to do kesa, then gyaku kesa, then kesa, without bringing in the air the last part of bamboo. So it was easy to do gyaku kesa without using tissue or tool to catch the bamboo on the stand. I just missed at the end the last shuriken shot, but it's really difficult because wood against wood, difficult to catch when you to pick the wood and to stay in when you are throwing your bamboo bow shuriken. I think it was awesome to practice all the work with inside practice during months with paper and a plastic bottle, almost a year now. Had been a great improvement since Blademan B gave me a correction on my skills to practice with a better slice movement, especially for bamboo. He gave me the different distance, he gave me information about the slice movement, the angle of the cut in the bamboo, and different aspects with the saya biki, removing the saya for launching the cut with one hand, so for making nukiuchi or katate. I hope you liked this episode together. We have seen how to sharpen in 10 minutes to 15 minutes this sword 1060 Ronin Dojo Pro, my favorite for cutting bamboo because it's really tough. You can see how it didn't change nothing. There is no chip, no chip, it's not broken, nothing on the edge. It's really impressive how 1060 that I don't appreciate with the omote is really the best for cutting bamboo. From 1.5 years now of experience cutting bamboo in the woods and improving my skills with the hasuji, the posture and the angle, I have definitely to say that this is a good sword for practicing bamboo cut. You can see no chip, no broken, no crack on the edge. Closer, you can see I sharpen it, so you have some scratches on the blade, but this is okay. There is nothing on the edge. This is really impressive. What you see here is a mistake a long time ago with it, where I touch something in the top of my head on a wall, but there were a metallic part. It's a little scratch just here on the kisaki, but instead of that there is nothing here on the edge. So definitely not my favorite type of weight balance. Even now I'm able to deal with every type of weight distribution, but definitely my favorite sword for cutting bamboo because really resilient. And that's why I understand now all the research that I've done about tamahagane. They are not complete, but first answer about why 1060 is better for combat or for cutting hard material than 1095 carbon steel. Definitely from Heian period to Muromachi period, passing through the Kamakura area, the most dangerous and combat time of feudal time. Definitely 1060 has been proved to be the percentage of carbon that all the sword analyzed by historian and a specialist from United States and Japan in metallurgy proved then all the swords from the combat time period from 800 years ago to 1600 years ago were with mono steel and with mono steel alloy mixture with 0.6% of carbon. So here it's definitely getting on the same way that the research proving that for bamboo cut, I really think 1060 is the best way between 0.6 to 0.8% of carbon for cutting bamboo cuts. I hope you like this episode. Stay focused, peaceful mind and body healthy, and see you soon for the next episode in Ronin Hood.